Hi and welcome back to our channel here at Travelworld, where in today's video we will be showing you how to use the interior of your motorhome. Today's video will be a generic guide on how to use the interior of your motorhome, perfect for beginners. So if you're unsure how to swivel your cab seats or to make up your single to double bed conversion, this video is perfect for you. We will be demonstrating today's video in a Hymer MLT 580 and a Hymer BMCI 680. So please do remember that this may vary on your vehicle. Let's start with if your vehicle has an MBUX system. With this Mercedes MBUX system, you are able to connect two phones at the same time to your vehicle. You simply tap Connect Device and then follow the on-screen instructions on how to set up your mobile phone to the system. Moving on to the navigation part of this system. You can search for any postcode. You can also find parking spaces and places to eat by simply touching a button. The three buttons our handover technician is pressing to the left of the screen control the parking, where you can eat, and the view of the screen. Another great feature that comes with the Mercedes system is that you can change your location to wherever you are in the world, so it doesn't just have to be in the UK. Now we are going to start looking at the radio part of this system. It is very simple to access, simply swipe and tap onto radio. Your vehicle will pick up all the radio stations, and to change from one to the other, you simply swipe through them. The silver button in the centre of the console is what you can use to adjust your volume. While on the topic of music, you can also connect your own phone to play music through the speakers through Bluetooth or USB. If your phone needs charging while on the road and it is able to be wirelessly charged, here is the wireless charging pad that is in the front of your vehicle. The MBUX system also provides you with a great amount of vehicle information such as fuel consumption and the owner's manual. For the more technical element of this vehicle system, we thought we'd show you a little bit closer. Here you can see the owner's manual off the information section and all that it includes. When you get your vehicle, have a look through this as it can have some really great tips and tricks on there. The final part on this MBUX system is the settings section, which allows you to adjust parts of your vehicle through the screen. This includes things such as the sensitivity of your active brake assist and many more features that can be adjusted to suit your needs. If you're struggling with your Mercedes system and want a more in-depth video on everything that you can do on this, then let us know in the comment section below. Now to move on to swivelling your cab seats. This is a fairly simple task and can be done by pulling a lever. Many of your vehicles you will be able to adjust things such as the seat height, armrests and backrests to suit yourself. A top tip from us here at Travelworld is that when you are adjusting your seats, make sure you're careful of things such as the door panel and the steering wheel, as you don't want to damage these in the process. And just to quickly show that on this MLT, the lever is just under the seat here. The front skylight in some vehicles can be tricky to open if you've never done it before. It's super easy when you know how. You just unlatch all of your latches, push your skylight and use the dials here to tighten it into place. Please ensure during bad weather that you bring this skylight down immediately and don't leave it up in strong winds. Moving towards the centre of the vehicle, let's show you how you get these tables down once they're up. On this vehicle there is two parts to the pole. You simply pull it out and push the table down. When you want to adjust your living room table, simply pull the lever down. This allows you to move your table from side to side and lock back into place by pulling the lever back into the upright position. And to make your table go up and down, simply lift your table up before pushing it down to the position you require. This will be different on all vehicles, so please take care. To open your window, simply open the latches and push the window out into position, and to close it, push it that little bit further until it brings itself back in and close the latches to secure the window. If you have single beds at the rear of your motorhome and you want to know how to convert to double, it's very simple. Slot the tray in and add the additional piece of mattress. All vehicles are slightly different, however usually you will have a piece that slots in or a piece that pulls out from your bed. To access your double bed, you may have either steps hidden away in your vehicle or a ladder that can be put on the bed to allow you to get access to the double bed. Our handover specialist is demonstrating how simple it is to get these steps in and out of the understep storage. When buying a vehicle, you may notice that it comes with wooden shower trays. It's really important to ensure that you take these out before using the shower in your vehicle. Most wooden shower trays will simply slot in and out of your vehicle with ease. Now, some vehicles do come with extractor fans that look something a little bit like this. First, you need to ensure that the skylight is open above the extractor. This can be done by the dial next to our handover specialist's hand. You then have the choice of 3 buttons: a power on and off button, one that allows you to extract air from inside the vehicle and put it outside, and one that does the opposite, bringing air from the outside inside your vehicle. The arrows on the images display which one is which, and the fan will change direction when the setting is changed. The more you tap each button, the more the fan will spin. In some of your vehicles, you may find a button like this next to your TV. When you press it, it will loosen your TV and allow you to adjust it. Once the TV has been released, simply gently pull the television towards you and twist to the position you want to watch it in. And to put the TV back away, you follow the process in reverse. Ensure that when doing both processes, you do it carefully to cause no damage to your TV. You will know your TV is back in a secure position as the button will pop back out.